Aloha there, this is Darci Frankel Schneider coming to you from Hanalei Day Spa in the Ayurveda Center of Hawaii here on Kauai. Frequently people come to a consultation either because they're in some sort of transition or a healing crisis, wanting to upgrade their well-being, wanting to feel better, or get more aligned in some way. So these are some of the ways that I frequently help folks. So we can have a Skype Ayurveda consultation and we can chat about your health and well-being goals. Generally I offer consultations between the hours of 9 and 5 Aleutian time, Monday through Friday. So keep that in mind. You want to let me know what your intentions are, a little bit about you, and then we will, and a few times that work for you, and then I'll shoot you back a response, and we can set up a time for an Ayurveda Skype consultation, and then we can handle payment via PayPal. So that's how all that works. Usually I can get you in between 2 and 3 weeks, depends on the demand. There's only limited supply here. So remember, take great care of yourself. And until we see each other, as we say in my country, aloha.